It's gonna be good, guys. Oh, Lord. Look at that. All right, let me pause it right here. Okay, guys. If you saw my left knee there, my injuries that I received from this fall, I had a hip flexor and a pulled groin. The funny story about it though, my daughter Victoria and our nanny were walking out before me, and I said, hey guys, be careful in your chanclas, with your sandals. It's really slippery out there. Sure enough, who falls? Me, of course. All right, back to the video. Unbelievable, man. Ah, that hurt. I'm so glad no cars were driving by.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to see is true. The anglers you're about to see may suck at fishing, but they are real fishermen and not actors. They did their best to catch fish for you. So pause the video, grab a snack, come back, grab a seat, relax and enjoy the video. When the full view is complete, smash the like button, and type an encouraging comment. Thank you.
Dude.
Appreciate you guys.
Cramp.
I'm telling you, if you ever had a cramp in like your foot or anywhere, this is how it felt.
Yeah, and it's not going away. Oh God!
It could have been my
Did
finger.
you guys ever get a cramp like this? Ah,
it's the
it
worst.
only happens with a jerkbait, I swear.
Okay, let's just
Yeah.
pause this. Whoops. I paused it a little too quick. Anyways, I'm out fishing with Fernie from 760 Bass Fishing in this. At the time, he didn't have a YouTube channel. And hopefully, fishing with him, he was one of my subscribers at the time. Hopefully, this is what got him motivated. So, you guys, I'm sure he's here right now. Make sure you go check him out. I appreciate you guys. All right, back to the video. Bruised eagle and some scrapes on my
going
back.
through this shithole of a cut.
This hurt bad.
This shit better be working.
The struggles of bass fishing.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh God.
No, I'm good.
Look what happened to my prop. Hey, only the third one.
Yep.
Only the third.
Pretty much how my day is gone. Yep.
This was actually a fun day besides this.
Like Gino.
Never fished this body of water before. Yeah, Gino fished for like 5 or 10 minutes while I filmed. Okay, let me explain what's going on here. All right, those of you who don't fish in bass fishing tournaments, okay, you're allowed the 5 biggest fish in most of the tournaments. So what I'm doing here, I've caught my 6th fish. I have 5 in live well already. So what I'm doing is I'm bringing all of my fish out of the live well right now. And I'm going to see which one I'm going to throw back. Because all of them are pretty much some clones. So, enjoy. Oh. No. Boom. Right there I bruised a rib. Ah, man. And who says fishing isn't a contact sport? Saved him. Yesterday, I should have had 3 fish in a row. All right, pausing the video right here.
But
the reason I uploaded this
cast,
clip
so, hey, can we do
is
back-to-back
for my
cast
little
again?
dance. It was awesome.
Let's see. Yeah, back to back. Oh, that was a big smallie. Oh, that was gigantic. Oh,
Oh Lord. This tree was brutal. I made my chanclas again. Now I just walk in the water. I got my frog. Wait, where's my sandal? Oh, there it is. So I think this is the next day, actually. I miss a fish. Same tree, just a different side of the tree.
where the hell's my frog? Here's that 70 tree pounder again.
Alright, this is awesome. I love this. Such an awesome blow up. How not to land a fish.
Right on the shoreline again.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see them. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head.
I'm all tangled up now. It's the kind of day I'm having, guys. Look at this shit.
I set the hook on a fish. My lure went behind me. My line just wrapped around my GoPro, through my backpack, through my arms. Wherever I could get tangled, it got tangled. Unbelievable.
I am all freaking tangled up, man. Around my GoPro. Somehow this is gonna end up in a loop.
Got it. This here, I'm working a spawning fish, probably for like 15 minutes. Such a good fish.
All that time wraps me around the trolling motor. I freaking lose him.
I know most of you guys know what happens here.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me? If this fish is on here, dude.
Just listen to Gino in the background. It's the best.
And as much like
Abu Garcia, don't use it as a frogging rod. Open water on a dink. Come on.
hey, oh, there was.
You guys gotta click the links, the cards, and watch these videos. Amazing.
I called that one. I've been premature on this set. 65-pound braid. Sorry, fish. That was awesome. So, damn, I thought I broke my rod. Friggin' big ass butterfly or something just got me too.
It was a dragonfly.
That was epic. Get out of there. Come on, Berkeley 5X.
This was the Berkeley X5 braid
Come on,
review
get
video.
yourself out of there, buddy.
Hey, did I butcher the name again?
There we go.
Let's see.
Oh, the Berkeley 5X held up pretty nice.
Yeah, the Berkeley
that fish.
X5 braid review.
I have no idea which way my line's going.
Line's amazing. I won't buy another braid. In real time. Poor little guy.
Jack that fish up. Sorry, little guy. Come here and I'll save you.
Such an awesome day.
But I can't let this cast go. I screwed it up, man.
I'm
Should I
frog
run?
fishing all this. I'm telling you guys, you gotta click the cards. Look at that. Who throws a frog in there besides me? That's something you flip or you punch.
Yeah, this frog's gone.
When I got lost and disoriented in the 44-44 challenge, this is the area I was trying to get to, but the bushes were so overgrown.
Berkeley 5X, you are pretty
5X
extreme,
again.
guys.
Yeah, right.
This frog's about jacked.
X5, Tom, jeez. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure, you know, look at the end cards here. If you haven't seen the videos, please, you know, look at the video. And as always, I appreciate you guys so much. This waterfall is awesome. All right, much love, guys.